ممكن تدي لنفسك شويه فرصه وانت بتفكر في الاجابه، مش
كده
على طول كده
كده
مره
كده بقولها
واحده،
صح.
ما انت بتجاوب
بس
صح.
بس
جدا.
بس خلينا الاول نعرف الناس احنا بنعمل ايه. دي كومبيتيشن بين ادهم وحبيب. انا اللي هعمله ان انا هقول بعمل ايه بالظبط في المحاماه ان انجلش، وهم هيحاولوا يفكروا ويتوقعوا انهي فيلد بالظبط اللي انا شغال فيه في المحاماه. وذاتس ات. I work in New York. I deal with people from other countries that they want to come and live here in USA. I help them to get permission from the government to make the dream of living here a reality.
immigration law. Immigration law.
Yes, immigration law. Habiba, Adham, when I write the story of my life, I'll call my book Robbers, Murders, and Other Friends of Mine.
criminal law.
I give advice to people who are unhappy living together and they want a divorce.
family law.
Family law, exactly, yes. Most of my clients have problems at work. I saw a lady this morning that she's going to have a baby. When she told her boss that she's pregnant, he fired her.
employment law.
Yes, thank you. Employment law. شباب خلاص. Last but not least, I work in very old and interesting field of law. I have a client that is 70 years old. When she dies, she wants to put all of her money in a special fund.
Law of equity and trust. Law of equity and trust.
That's it. Yes, thank you. Law of equity and trust.